Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This set from CAT 2019 Slot 1 DILR says that in a new game show on TV there are 100 boxes numbered 1 to 100 and each containing a mystery prize. The prize are of different types A, B, C and so on in decreasing order of value. The most expensive item of type a diamond ring, and there is exactly one of these. You are told that the number of items at least doubles as you move up the next time. For example, there would be at least twice as many items of type B as of type A, at least twice as many items of type C as of type B, and so on. There is no particular order in which these prices are placed in the boxes. So we are given that there are 100 boxes and they contain different kind of prizes. So A is 1, B is at least 2 times of A. So B, the minimum value is 2, it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. C is at least 2 times of B. So suppose let us say if we take B is equal to 5, then C can be equal to 10, 11, 12 and so on. Okay. And similarly D is at least 2 times of C. Suppose we took C as 12. So we took A is given as fixed as 1, we took B as 5 and we took C as 12. So D could be 24, 25, 26 and so on, any of the numbers from these. So that is the information given to us. It is fairly simple set, just that one needs to apply some simple logic of numbers. What is the minimum possible number of different types of prices? We need to find minimum number of prices. So A is fixed as 1. B can take any value. It is not necessary that you have to take 2. It says at least 2 times. Okay, at least 2 times means minimum 2. We can have any value. We can take B as 99 also. So we have only 2 types of prices. Now the second question is maximum possible number of different types of prices. Now if you have to find the maximum possible number of prices of different types, so we will give minimum value to each type. So A is equal to 1, B the minimum value is 2. Now if B is 2, the minimum value of C will be 4. The minimum value of D will be 8 and E will be 16. F will be 32. G will be 64 and so on. Now if you add till here, it is 96, 112, 120, so greater than 100. If you take G as 64, it is greater than 100. But if we do not take G, right, is it less than 100? We have 7, 15 and 48, 63. So we can have maximum 6 prices. Okay, so you might be wondering that it is not totaling to 100. So let us say if we put 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and instead of 32 we fill the remaining, that is 69, that is totaling to 100. Okay, so let's say if we put 1, 2, 4, 8 and we put let's say 25. Okay, so this is 15, 40, we put 60 here. So we can put maximum 6 prices. We cannot get, as soon as we are making the 7th price we are getting more than 100. So maximum possible number of prices are 6. Which of the following is not possible? There are exactly 30 items of type B. Okay, so is it possible or not? So let's take the first option A, B, C. A is 1. If we put B as 30, we can put C as 69. So this is possible. Next is there are exactly 75 types of type E. So A, B, C, D, E. E is 75, right? We need to put 1, 2, 4, 7, 82, 18. This is also possible. Okay. There are exactly 60 types of items of type D. So A, B, C, D. D is 60. This is 1. Okay. So let us put, if you put 2 here, then you will have to make C 37, but it won't appear to be possible. Let us put B as 10. Okay. So can we put B as 10? Yes. 11, 71, C as 29. So one of the possibilities, right? It is possible to have this also. There are exactly 45 types of item C. So if you have eliminated 3 options, the fourth one should be the answer ideally. But let's see what if we put 45 items of C. Suppose C is the last item. So we cannot have B above 22, that is the maximum value. So we are getting just 68 prices. Suppose there is price D also. So if C is 45, D minimum should be 90. So that will result in greater than 100 prices. So we cannot have 45 items of type C. You ask for the type of item in box 45. Instead of being given the direct answer, you are told that there are 31 items of the same type as box 45 in boxes 1 to 44 and 43 items of the same type as box 45 in boxes 46 to 100. What is the maximum possible number of different types of items? So this is box 45. There are 44 boxes here. So let us say it is of X type. Okay. And it says that uh, boxes 1 to 44, there are 31 items of the same type. So 31 times. And here we have 43 times from the remaining boxes. Okay. So this type of item is one count is here, and 31 plus 1 plus 43, we have 75 items. Okay. So we have one particular type which is 75 in number. So let us see, can we put maximum, how much can we put as 75? Okay. Now we have A as 1, we cannot put B as 75, right? That will result in 76. If we put C as 75, B can be put, right? But let's see, we have to maximize the number of prizes. So can we put, like we said that maximum possible is 6, right? So let's start with 75, because if you start from here, we know the upper end, which we calculated in the first question. So if you put 75, you need 2, 4, 8, 16. Now this total is greater than 100. So F cannot be 75. If we put E as 75, can we have the values? 1 to 4 is 7, 82. We can have this as a possibility. We can have several other possibilities. It is not necessary that you take this only as the possibility. So this is also possible to make it. Right? So we can have maximum of 5 prizes in this case. So this was the solution to the set and the answers to the questions.